how to convert low quality video to 4K in easy way on CapCut. It's an easy process, so let's start. So first of all, open the CapCut app and then click to the new project. After that, just choose your video and click to the add option. After that, just slide and click to the adjust options and slide and click to the graphs. After that, just scroll down this and scroll up this and then click to the red and do the same, and then green and blue also. After that, just click to the OK button and just export this. After that, just go back and delete those, and then just click to the overlay option and click to the add overlay and choose the video. After that, just maximize this and click to the blend option, and then just click to the burn option and just slide down and set this to 25, then OK. After that, just go back and click to the add overlay. After that, just click to the stock videos and click to the white option and then adjust this and do the same. After that, click to the blend option and click to the overlay option and just gradually down this and then click to the OK button. After that, just click to the main video and click to the adjust options and then just increase the saturation and temperature also, and then click to the OK button. After that, you can see the video is now in high resolution. So that's the process how you can convert your low quality video to 4K in CapCut. It's an easy process. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos.